Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer online FIFA. First, ensure your gaming console or personal computer is connected to a stable internet connection. You will also need an active subscription to your platform's online service, such as PlayStation Plus or Xbox Game Pass Core. Once those are ready, simply launch the game and navigate to the online or multiplayer section from the main menu to begin your journey into competitive play. Once in the online section, you have several options for finding opponents. To play with friends, choose online friendlies and send an invitation. For more competitive matches, modes like Seasons or Ultimate Team are excellent choices. The game's intelligent matchmaking system will then work to pair you with an opponent whose skill level is comparable to yours, ensuring balanced and exciting gameplay experiences. FIFA offers a variety of engaging online modes. Online friendlies are perfect for casual games with people you know. Ultimate Team is a highly popular mode where you build your dream squad and compete against others globally. For a unique team-based experience, Pro Clubs lets you create a virtual player and join up to 10 other players, each controlling one player on the pitch. To truly excel in online FIFA, consistent practice is key. Spend time in offline modes to hone your skills and understand game mechanics. Developing strong defensive tactics and varied offensive plays will give you a significant advantage. Remember, a stable and fast internet connection is absolutely vital for uninterrupted and responsive gameplay, minimizing lag and ensuring a fair match for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.